How to fix ChatGPT. Sorry you have been locked on the Genesis. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to fix ChatGPT. Sorry you have been locked on the Genesis. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really again simple, so let's go. So what we need to do first is to search for down detector ChatGPT. So let's search for it. And you can see this is OpenAI down, so let's click on this first link. And in here you can see if there's any problem with ChatGPT. So if you see a high rise spike like this, then it just means that there's a problem. But this is the latest one, so it is quite low, so that means that there's only a few problems. But if you see something that spiked this high, then that just means that there's a problem. So just stay tuned for this update right here, and you should be able to know if ChatGPT is down at the moment. Next thing you can do is just clear the data. So click on the three dots, click on settings. From in there you can see this privacy and security. Click on this clear browsing data. So you can make it last hour or all time depending on what you want. So just click on anything that you have right here and click on clear data, and then you'll be able to clear ChatGPT data. The next thing you can do is open a new tab, search for speed test. So I'll search for it, then click on run speed test right here, and you should be able to see if your Wi-Fi is fast enough to run ChatGPT. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix ChatGPT. Sorry you have been locked on Genesis. If you have comments to comment, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.